Hey there. Welcome back with yet another adventure from Knowledge Nitro channel. Ready to take a cosmic trip? Today we're exploring Mars, the red planet where futuristic Martians live. We'll meet these amazing beings, see their incredible way of life, and find out what happens when they set their sights on Earth. Let's blast off. Mars is a world like no other. Picture red dust, giant volcanoes, and a sky that glows a soft pink. The Martians live in futuristic cities built into cliffs and underground. Isn't that cool? Their cities are like giant bubbles designed to keep everything running smoothly. These Martians have really mastered their environment with high-tech homes and gadgets. How awesome is that? Martians are tall and slender with coppery skin that soaks up sunlight and large eyes that help them see in the dark. It's like they're built perfectly for their world. They use smart technology to recycle water and air and grow plants in their special greenhouses. Imagine having a home where everything is so high-tech. Did you know? Martian homes are painted with materials that reflect the red light of the planet, making their interiors glow with a warm, cozy light. Martian schools are called the houses of the mind. These places are full of interactive and fun learning tools. It's like going on a space adventure every day. Kids here build cool models of their habitats and experiment with Martian soil, and they play orbital chess where the pieces float and move like planets. Sounds like the ultimate game, right? Martian storytelling is amazing too. They have chrono tales where stories mix the past, present and future. It's like having a magic book that shows everything at once. Martian children's favorite class is Space Adventures, where they get to explore virtual planets and stars. It's like a super cool space camp every day. Martians are incredible inventors. They live in cities with self-sustaining systems and use robots to help with daily chores. Imagine living in a city where everything is so smart. Martian engineers are always coming up with new ideas. They design smart clothing that can change temperature and even charge devices. Talk about high-tech fashion. Martians have a special paint that changes color with the temperature. It helps keep their homes just right, no matter how hot or cold it gets outside. Mars has its very own space agency called the Celestial Vanguard. These Martians are space explorers who travel to discover new planets and stars. How cool is that? Their spacecraft can travel faster than light. Just imagine zooming through space at such incredible speeds. Every year, Martians celebrate Pioneers' Day to honor their space explorers. There are parades, stories, and lots of fun activities. It's like a giant space party. Fun fact: the fastest spaceship, the Star Racer, can zoom past planets in just minutes. It's like the ultimate rocket ride through the galaxy. Daily life on Mars. Living in harmony. Martians are all about community. They gather to share meals, celebrate special occasions, and work together on projects. It's all about teamwork and fun. During birthdays, everyone comes together for a big celebration. Gifts are shared, and the birthday person often contributes to a community project like planting trees or creating art. The circle of giving is a big deal. Martians join forces to build new habitats or clean up their cities, showing that helping each other is important to them. Fun fact: Martian birthday parties are extra special. Besides the fun, they include a community project where everyone gets involved. It's a great way to celebrate and contribute at the same time. The Great Cycle. Martian beliefs and traditions. Martians have deep spiritual traditions. They meditate in beautiful temples and practice star dreaming, where they lie on the surface and gaze at the stars. It's their way of connecting with the universe. Imagine lying on a red planet and looking up at the stars, feeling a deep connection with the universe. That's what star dreaming is all about. Fun fact: Martians believe that the stars are like cosmic guides, helping them understand their place in the universe. Star dreaming is their way of seeking wisdom and inspiration from the cosmos. The Earth mission. Martians come to Earth. Now for the big event. Martians are coming to Earth. Their spacecraft travel through space and land on our beautiful planet. Just imagine their excitement. When they arrive, they're amazed by Earth's stunning landscapes, lush forests, sparkling oceans, and bustling cities. Everything is new and exciting for them. Martians and Earthlings meet for the first time, exchange gifts and explore together. It's a chance for both worlds to learn and grow from each other. Fun fact, the Martians bring a gift from Mars. Special Martian rocks that glow in the dark. Earthlings are thrilled, and it's a fun way to celebrate their new friendship. A new adventure begins. As Martians and Earthlings work together on new projects, they open up exciting possibilities for the future. From building new cities to exploring space, the adventure is just beginning. Looking up at the stars, both Martians and Earthlings feel a sense of wonder and anticipation. Together, they are starting a new chapter filled with promise and exploration. Fun fact, the Martian and Earthling teams are planning a joint space mission to explore the outer reaches of our solar system. It's a new adventure that will take them to the stars and beyond. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey from Mars to Earth and back. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Knowledge Nitro channel for more amazing stories and cosmic explorations. Until next time, keep dreaming big and reaching for the stars.